improve eye vision naturally. Ingredients: turmeric, cinnamon, mint, black pepper. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. While there is no direct evidence linking cinnamon to improved vision, its anti-inflammatory effects may indirectly benefit eye health. Mint leaves contain vitamins A and C, which are essential for maintaining healthy eyes. Vitamin that plays a crucial role in vision and helps protect the surface of the eye. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of certain eye diseases. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to enhance the absorption of certain nutrients in the body. While it may not directly improve vision, it can help maximize the absorption of beneficial compounds from other foods. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may help reduce inflammation in the body and protect against certain eye conditions linked to inflammation, such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD.